I am Dr. Prachi Singh, Assistant Professor Mathematics, Government PYT PG Autonomous College, Durg. Today we are taking a lecture on fuzzy sets and their application. Topic: multiple decision making of MSc 4th semester Mathematics. When decisions are made by more than one person, the process is called multi-person decision making. The difference between individual and multi-person decision making can be considered as: first, the goals of individual decision maker may differ so that each decision maker places a different ordering for the alternatives. Second, the decision makers may have different information base for taking decision. A fuzzy model group decision was proposed by Breen and Winston, in which each member of group of n individual decision maker is assumed to have a reflexive. It means A related A, self-related, antisymmetric, A related B, B related A, but not the same relation. Transitive, A related B, B related C by same relation, then A related B by that relation. Preference ordering. This ordering is partially or totally. Basically, this model allows individual decision maker to possess different aims. In order to deal with the multiplicity of opinion evidenced in the group, the social preference function S is defined as S x cross x 2 0 1, implies that S xi xj is equal to degree of group preference of xi over xj. That is, how many degree xi is preferred with respect to xj in any given group. In a simple method, this is defined as S xi xj is equal to n xi xj upon n, where n xi xj is equal to number of person preferring xi over xj. N, small n is equal to total number of decision members. Aggregating S xi xj by a suitable function, S is equal to summation union alpha into alpha s, we get the result. Here this alpha belongs to 0, 1. This alpha always belongs to 0, 1. We explain it with an example. Assume that there are 5 decision makers P1, P2, P3, P5 for 4 alternatives A, B, C, D. The ordering for each decision maker is as follows: P1, A, B, C, D, P2 and P5 both have same ordering: C, A, D, B. P3, B, A, C, D, and P4, A, D, B, C. Now we construct a preference table: A, B, C, D in rows, A, B, C, D in columns, NAA, NAB, NAC and NAE. Then that means preference of A with respect to A, B, C and D respectively. Similarly, this row is preference of B with respect to A, B, C and D. This row is preference for C, this row is preference for D. Here n xi xj is equal to number of person preferring xi to xj. So NAA is equal to NBB is equal to NCC is equal to NDD is equal to 0, because there is no self preference. No preference with respect to A to A, B to B, C to C and D to D. So diagonal must be 0. NAB, it means preference of A with respect to B. There are 4 decision makers P1, P2, P5 and P4. they give that preference. It is 4. So its counterpart NBA is equal to 1. Similarly, NAC is equal to 3. Then its counterpart NCA is equal to 2. NAD is equal to 5. Then its counterpart NDA is equal to 0. Calculating these, we can construct the preference table. NXI is equal to ABCD in rows, ABCD in columns, and all the entries are from this calculation. By the formula Sxi is equal to n Xi upon n. N is equal to number of decision makers is equal to 5. We construct the table for Sxi is equal to ABCD in rows, ABCD in columns. The entries of n Xi table is divided by 5. Then we get the table for Sxi. All the entries are divided by 5. Now take alpha belongs to 0, 1. For alpha is equal to 1, this value 1 is only for A, D. So 1S is equal to, set 1S is equal to A, D. It means A is preferable than D. Now take alpha is equal to 0.8 because the next greater entry in this table then 1 is 0.8. So we take alpha is equal to 0.8. 0.8 S is equal to A, B, then C, D. 1 is greater than 0.8. So we take AD also from 1S. So 0.8 is equal to AB, CD and AD. It means A followed by B, C followed by D, A followed by D. So we construct the ordering with respect to 0.8 is equal to A के बाद D आना चाहिए, C के बाद D आना चाहिए, A के बाद D आना चाहिए. So ABCD, ACBD and ACDB. There is 3 choices. For alpha is equal to 0.6. 0.6 S is equal to for pair AC, BC, DB, AB, CD and AD. That is alpha greater than or equal to 0.6. 0.6 O. So ordering is equal to A के बाद C आना चाहिए, B के बाद C आना चाहिए, D के बाद B होना चाहिए, A के बाद B होना चाहिए, C के बाद D होना चाहिए और A के बाद D होना चाहिए. When we arrange by this method, we get A, D, B, C and A, C, D, B. Now 0.8 O intersection 0.6 O is equal to A, C, D, B. So the most preferable ordering is A, C, D, B. In this process, it is necessary that each decision maker order the alternatives. Each decision maker order the alternatives. In the second method, which is given by Shimura, pairwise comparison of each alternative is taken. A particular number is given for relative grade and Fxi xj is equal to comparative grade of xi with respect to xj. And capital F xi xj is equal to relative preference grade of xi with respect to xj. The formula for f xi xj is equal to small f xi xj upon max f xi xj comma f xj xi, or we can write min 1 comma f xi xj upon f xj xi. Then we find overall relative preference grades of xi with respect to all other alternatives. Pxi is equal to minimum of capital F xi xj. The preference ordering of alternatives is then given by the numerical ordering of these grades Pxi. Now we give an example to explain the process. Example: let the attractiveness grade is given as follows: f xi xj and attractiveness f xi xj means attractiveness of xi with respect to xj. If 1, it means xi is little attractive than xj. 3, xi is moderately attractive than xj. 5, xi is strongly attractive than xj, and so on. 2, 4, 6, 8 are intermediate values between levels. Now given attractiveness grades for 5 alternatives A, B, C, D and E. Row A, B, C, D and E. Column A, B, C, D and E. Now attractiveness grades given. FAA is equal to 1 because there is no comparison between A and A. FAB is equal to 7, that is A is 7 attractive than B. A is 9 attractive than C. A is extremely attractive than C. AD is equal to 3, FAE is equal to 8 and so on. This is given. For relative preference grades capital F xi xj, we use the formula f xi given earlier, FBE. We find FBE is equal to small f BE max FBE and FEB. FBE BE is equal to 4 upon max, FBE 4 and FEB 6. So it is 4 by 6 is equal to 0.66. So by the formula find all f xi xj and we get a table for relative preference grades A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E and so on. We construct this table by the formula. So Pxi is equal to min of f xi xj is equal to min of each row. Min of each row. So PA is equal to 1, PB is equal to min of this row 0.29, PC is equal to min of this row 0.11, PD min of the row 0.67 and PE min of this row 0.25. So the order of preference is A, highest value is A, then B, then B, then C, then E, then C. So the preference ordering is A, B, B, E